Ya North kana ya South?
No horo.
Ya North no erare.
The other one is relatively silent. Though I understand as South. Mararo North.
Ando abele South marauga kwa jirani gutingie kirio guku tumeroreire.
Yes.
Reke tukamateithie kuria.
South itha ici niguo akurarwo. No itindo niku.
Gitindo ni North.
Maraigua fire say fire.
Ndio hao wamekuja wewe Kaunda.
Ndio hao wewe ni asude mokire. Haba no guikia mecuti.
Kijana South ni mathiete mbere ya North.
Maratinda kuo. Mosi marathie South kwao.
Makarara.
Mwana wewe. Netoroke mathati mega.
Waigua kuria no githari.
Ndori urathi wabici. Wabici ciao tha ici ciĩ North.
South no uthie toro.
Yes. Rĩu menja ni urenda kwambatĩra wonjoria-inĩ mbere North.
Indo iraitĩka ta mbura.
Kũndũ kũu mbia cikũrĩte ta nyeni. Ciraitĩka ta mbaa.
Kuratuika kundu kuu gutire gwaitwo mbeca.
Yes.
Ta iria citetwo kuo rita riri.
Circulation ĩrĩa ĩkũu rĩ no wĩcie nĩ kuonetwo ngũrũndi.
Kwanja noti ya ngiri kũu ihana mahuti.
Gũtakĩrĩ mũndũ ataragĩbunjĩrwo mbia. Ũrerwo ũgethe cenji South.
Nothi no ngiri ĩrainia gũtũ.
Ĩcu ngiri gũkũ tũtingĩkuonera cenji. Iyo no thire mbere South kũu nĩkuo gũbunjĩrwa.
No thire kĩrĩtĩri. Ngiona cenji.
Gũkũ ngiri ĩraria nakĩ?
Na ngiri.
Na ĩrĩa ĩngĩ. And of course it's the battle of the titans. Everyone wants to prove their might and political might.
No rĩu by election nĩ kiumia gĩkĩ.
Yes.
27th.
On the one hand, of course we have Kiana gĩa Simba backing up who?
Newton Karisi wa kiama kia DP.
Huyu wa Ngito leo kuga Muthende.
He's a good lyricist.
He's a lyricist and he's trending. Yes.
No mutungi wa nyimbo.
Wega biũ.
So he's a man full of heart in him.
Na ati yake ti aira. Ti wa kwiga.
Asa.
Yes. Hau na tũrareterwe Muthende.
Ne kamũrĩa arwaru.
Kamũrĩa arwaru. Okay, I don't know exactly what those words mean, so I won't say them. Tiota okoro ci derogatory. But I will refer to the man because that is his name. Yes. Amwenoyo ngĩrĩu nake mũndũ ũrĩa wĩna onslaught. Yeah, the ruling party. Of course, he's the deputy president.
Yes.
Yes.
Professor himself is leading the ruling party's brigade.
Yes.
To drum up support for Uda candidate.
Absolutely.
Who is Rio wa Muthende.
Yes. Wa Muthende the fire say fire. Sema Muthende. Na nikoshi kete kiathukite.
Nigotinde ko.
Daragura guoya. Mimi nitakupeleka mbio.
My friend.
Mimi ni fire naitwa fire. Ewe. Takukimbiza. Takupeleka mbio wewe mtu wa mitego wewe. Mimi ni noma fire.
Rimwe mũndũ nĩ ekora handũ.
Yes.
No nginya nawe wĩribaribe.
Takupeleka mbio faster. Mimi nilikuwa waziri wa interior, najua maneno mengi. Fire say fire. Muthende ni fire say fire. Mundu no. Mundu no. But let me tell you something. We don't know outcome yakore hanatia. But equally whoever wins or loses, unless you are the money to ne manyaga.
Ne manyaga.
Guti mundu towe wa Muthende.
Na Newton Karisi.
Yes. Wanajulikana. Mwana mwembu. Yes. Na wa Muthende.
Uyo professor kinde kiake ni aratire kiana gĩa Simba amwĩtire Goliath.
Amwĩtire Goliath. Ndio maraikara hwainĩ makiana. Tulienda vizuri leo. Leo tulienda sawa.
Weka hizo clip.
Hebu weka. Hapo tuligonga.
Lakini hapa baba,
Yes.
unaona hii fire. Tulisema unasema mara ngapi? 3.
Mara 3.
Unarundia mara 3.
Haya, wamudhende ni fire. Say fire. Wamudhende ni fire, say fire.
Weka ya mwisho sasa.
Wamudhende ni fire, say fire.
Kambisa hiyo ni tiki.
Noma si noma.
Inogi jamaa ikale na timu yake.
Haya, tafutia sasa huyu vile ya. Kijina kikubwa.
Huyu forma.
Huyu vile ya.
Mbandika yeye kijina.
Mbandika mara moja. Tumuite nani? Muitanishe na wale watu kwa Biblia waligongwa.
Ita Goliath.
Sawa, Goliath wewe. Na unajua tunatayarisha wakati IPC nitani kabisa wa constituency wakati tutatangaza wa Muthende aseme Muthende ameshinda, ujifundishe kawimbo kanasemwa yes kidole sambusa. Yes kidole sambusa noma si fire. Yes kidole sambusa reke wanogwa.
Fire si fire.
Fire si fire. Noma si noma. Yes kidole sambusa reke wanogwa. Fire. Wamudhende niliwaambia ni fire si fire.
Nango mwana ule ungekiadaga Simba na kialiona timu yake.
Arwajo no maraita ganye ni.
Reke mama mahoni ando becha.
Wakaugathe. Yedio na tuteterere. To mahudire becha mare. Kwara go matingihara.
Acio ne me kiondo ine.
Odo maracokoha. Hau ha kwara ni thio tungitoka.
Reke mama marugangire wira.
Acio reke marugangire wira.
Na ithuo twathi kuria ni kumaringa.
Ithuo ndo ria narrative itu ni mwe. Ria ithio no mururu.
Ne Kalisi.
Kalisi. No kuria ni ya hiri thoko ni uteri.
Gietha no gutiri gutira.
Kuria ni uteri. Riu muthimukira andu atia. Fire icio ri tukamenya ye muthenya wa githuano. Icio fire ri akauga no magi homa.
Na ni ndaruga ngari iguru. Mundu uyu no nginya ngamuringa.
Ocio ne kuringa. Kugutha ati utungi. Mena William Ruto.
No nginya tumere marathie ki.
Ithe raiwira gege wetore mwana uyu arahirwo tathia. Arahitwo thi nyumu. Na riera-ini. Na ni maravanga na wega tondu ndia cia handu mara clash. That is good.
You see in politics ni muroraga.
Yes.
Mugatuiria atiri agoro mwena uri ungi ni o mucemanio ora umirwo muno ri.
Yes.
Mugeterera maume mukaiga ithugu. Immediately mauma mugoka. Na inyo mugoka mukarugira wira.
Akinyerie ku.
Ni hindi mabangithia andu raini.
Marabangwo kiki.
Guku ni ngiri nyitanu.
Edwabe rotigana na kuwa cio. Kireke mama maharagane. Gugu tungithie. Kundu tungimagwa mbere.
Iciara na kanyua bora ri. Kou ngiri ni giweraria.
Ya yetha ngia ito. Taria na methu. Mwamenya kiria megwetha.
Ndireciria atiriri. Ni tuhiuka kabubu akanyama.
Indo ni ciuke.
Kou matiringite.
Ni tuthie kugu kore tukumane mundu kia mau ri.
Ithue muno tukumera ti mbeca twarehe.
Tukumera ithuo matumirerie uguo tutarie. Ithuo twenda gubanga wira. Tondu ithuo tinoka kumaka. Ona tukimana umera ni ngatho. Ni jia cumbi. Bere anothi. Ona gutire by election yana ithuo mbeca githemba kiu.
Kuria ngiri ni njite.
Yes. Weciria ngiri te were gagoitwo hindi ya haka wa njiko.
Yes. Kiamba.
Hindi ya kawa njiko and the other gentleman is called who?
Kuria Juja.
No, not Juja. Kiamba.
Kiamba kore kawa njiko na
I'm forgetting the name of this gentleman.
Kareri Jama.
Kareri. Yes. The good man. Yes. Aya wa Muthende ni fire si fire. Takupeleka mbio my friend. Nitakukimbiza.
Friday hwaide kiumia giki ri.
Yes.
Nitwakorwo twamenya uria giguikara.
Nitukamenya ni amakaina yes kidole za busa.
Na meke ari age. Eva ijaja na ndagika ndaigua ni obukire ngathie ni Angola ikisa Angola wena kigomano kia mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ gĩkĩ kia Afrika
yes
linki na gĩtarũ kia Europe
alo ni akire gaturwa mweno uyu
ni gaturwa
yari kai mani wa East Africa no atire dashimie
agane dashimie no ko gamathia rotation no
hari kaundu we ahetwo guku
East Africa
dali
ai dirona
she has it chairman of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto
uguo kwa hinda ri niwe share
yes East African community ruri wari oni ndaicimie riu niwe
ni akibatie kuhamurithagia andu ta kongo magoka guku kwi maundu
yes
kana ithu turiaga kumathiira
and he was elected in November 2024 yes
uguo githie kwa mwaka umwe uguo hakuo gucokia
yes okay ndio predecessor ni Salva Kiir Mayardit yes tugethiete kana iwa okure turathana
kwa hinda ri no giikarire giti
niyo giti ni kiire yes kwa hinda ri no winakio ni arari kwe Museveni
ira ni arari kuria Tororo Uganda
that explains that kind of visit
yes arari kuria Tororo ira heke ganda mararuguraria gia ni gia still
ni Museveni nake no arakienda another one term
no Museveni wants one more
araugie one more term no Museveni ni urenda ki one term no the president Ruto urenda ki two term you can know it Museveni is okay with one term they just get me another one term so that I can finish the project that I already started for Uganda yes
and
he had a very elegant suit yakarugamite yeah, he was a very elegant one.
Janizi ni mamwenyeririe niko akiamba gukahumuka
araenda kokaragia. I don't know whether that is ivory. Yes. You see, Uganda is a free country. You cannot wear this in back home. Sisi tuko na sheria ingine na there is a way we follow our democratic processes. So that is where you go wrong. See, too much democracy is not right. Even at home, you give the children democracy, they beat you. So I heard your people from that mountain station is called which one?
Gani hiyo?
Unasema gani? The one that has the person who reads newspapers in the morning.
Gatonye.
Sasa kama ni Gatonye hiyo I heard them saying that we can merge Uganda and Kenya. We can do that, but I have to be president. You can deputize. And from where I sit, deputies are not very relevant. You see, your deputy is very powerful. I understand now he's the one running around doing errands. They will overtake you.
He is saying he is fire.
Anasema ni noma si noma. Sasa when he's on the ground, he has to say fire, because basically that is his slogan. So people should not even know his identity. It's a very risky business. You are taking too many risks. You might just find yourself having to impeach again.
And you
see, it's not good records to impeach twice.
In one term.
Sasa usitaje hiyo. Sasa mimi umeanza kutaja maneno ambayo si nzuri. Hiyo sasa usitaje hiyo, tunapigwa sana na hiyo. No, I just said you cannot impeach twice in one term. Sasa badilisha hiyo maneno kabisa. Ama uniambie nitoke nirudi nyumbani, manake akufukuza
Okay, leave that one.
All right, I see you are very moody. So did you hear my remarks about the small issue of a little water? What are you talking about, Mzee? So I had a concern about a small chunk of your coastline. Sasa, you know, the territory of the Republic of Kenya is gazetted under international law and even our own laws. Sasa, you see, you can do it even undercover. You don't have to tell people. No, in our country we have to be open and transparent. We are guided by very serious laws. So, no, you people are, you are president and they hold you hostage. Sasa mimi niliwaambia wewe ni mtu mzuri na tukasema ile pipeline tutaweka, tukasema tutakupanga mpaka mambo ya railway. Sasa ukichukua kitu inakuja mara. You see, I don't want dry run.
Anaenda si front.
Sasa siwe nasikia walisema tu ulisema utaleta sijui vujo kidogo. No, that one was just, you know, it was just kuwekelea. So we can't fight, we are brothers.
I wanted to catch your attention.
And I'm sure it didn't work. But you can look for your own ways. Get me Diani.
Quietly.
Quietly, without even consulting, what's the name of your professor?
Kindiki.
That one. Just don't go normal fire. Let us just have a territorial. Lakini siwe uko na lake, my friend. That's Mzee. You see, the lake is regional.
Anaenda si front.
But you know, practically, no ahuriru ginyako. Nikada hayo. We actually have a very small coastline.
Tutire na wari ucio munene oguo.
Yes.
Tanganyika neo mena coastline ndaya.
Ni anyorero okuo.
Kana Shumari.
Yes. Kwaje Shumari maciuthaira muno.
Shumari na no enyorero okuo ta.
Do they border Uganda?
Acha riu ningi ni.
Riu wena technicality.
Technicality riu Shumari ni kwa maraihiriria.
You see, if you get me the beach, I don't mind if you don't give me the land. As long as we have a small Uganda by the seashore.
No na ya si front ri. Indo icio aregeragia ku.
Riu ni akugeria uku. Riu fatani ekiriere.
Agepoti yake. Can't happen.
You see, it should be in your legacy. You see? Asa we Mzee hiyo mambo unaongea we gatu na ng'ombe yako. But I saw you are also starting to do a lot of farming. Now you are becoming presidential. Shishina kuna kuna tractor. So suddenly you are in with cows and gumboots. Yes. Now you are becoming presidential. I used to tell Uhuru these things. No riu Uganda matindeka wega. President akinya kuria ri. Yes.
Agikaguba ngwarinde. Aramikaguire tiri-ini.
Nanamuria sasa, my friend, your excellency Museveni. Sasa ninakuja kukagua kwa dili la heshima kwa mchanga. It's because we are down to earth.
Kanyanga dunia.
So Ugandans we are down to earth. So
agubatindeka wega.
Anyways,
Kenya and Uganda.
Yes. Our biggest trading partner.
Kuria Tororo.
Yes.
Tororo twathoma niki twamithoma Tororo. Niki kienjagwo Tororo?
Ni bauk saitika ni ndu.
Kindu kienjagwo Tororo.
Muthoni niki Tororo mineral
na ndĩreciria no kĩo kũragĩtwarwo nginya iganda icio cia gũthondeka cuma.
No titaite nyama.
Kĩndũ kĩenjagwo Tororo nĩ twamĩthomaga.
Mining ni Tororo. Nĩ twathomaga biũ. It has to be something. I am not excited kanedo.
Kĩndũ maga nĩ bara nyingĩ cia rami.
Minerals including iron ore, phosphorus
nikio basi
yani nicio icio
ayo no
yes
ciume rokira hau
bauxite ti ya guku ndio cuma
yani nikio ciume ragukira kuo
yes gold ni yakuria gwetwa Witwatersrand South Africa yes Kenya ni gold migori
na
Taveta
na Kakamega kidogo
Kakamega na Taita
ruguru ruu rungiururio wega rutingiaga thahabu
ruguru ruu rungiururio wega ri rutingiaga kanyamu yes
tungimiona na to ni muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda ri matuthiathire matweherere thahabu ri no tumahe kilomita 4
yes
cia seafront
no tumane tondu rũgongo rwa Central Mineral na nigetha me tuthire mineral ri cioro wa ko ntukinyagia futi igana tutione ona kiri
no aka mai
ona oteri wa mburu that's what it's called Central tukia mineral gwcia mwene nyaga ni acithikirio wega
like mirada eka 50 we mutwari
kugira ng'ondu kuria
ciurire
araugire gutio na kamwe gutiga ki
gutigana nja
ogania cianyo icio ciothe
arauga gwetha ng'ondu kuria ciurire
yes arathiete evangelizing haria hetagwo Timber XU yes
riu ni rienderio ria njohi
ri ngumo nene yes uria rodoleti na ni ritanagia na muteti umwe wigatu
muteti ng'u
yes tutingiota gwikira mukonde
ati niwe mwene kundu kuu
nyoni atanagia na kundu kuriku
na kundu kuu
yes riu Prince Michael wa Tengari yaragithiete kuu it was quite tika odo manona
that is rare than rare
very rare atondu kwanja raingirio o ri andu maingira kira twandika maundu hau pastor is here yes arakiana kiugo na aroya muhothi na arathie na areka altar call
na refi hakuhotha ni ahothi
ona na hau no turarora muno riri ndakege ko muno ne kiria kirarutirwo aigua gucenjia workstation
wabera ambia menye kuria arakorire ng'ondu icio ri
yes
they are not in a state that is very
ne ko theire hihi kiria marahuthira no kimerekererie mehia no driver ni marahothire wega
arefi kuhotha ni ahothi
yes marauga battery tutakupatia geto na daga yote tunapea kila mtu 10,000 unatumiaka kitu padre kama hapana hiyo situmii nimekuja na neno Bwana anasema hakuna ambaye Mungu sio wa maana kwake
na review menya no mwamugithia ati ona muru wa mundu ni athondekire nyamu iyo
yes sasa wewe ndio umechua vile unaelekea vile umekuja hapa Timber XU uwe utuandikie fellowship inakuwa lini fellowship tuwe tunakuja
kiugo kimakore haria mari
yes I don't know the reaction of the entire church na utukale kuria ndumeto ndika ni evangelist Negoria mutugatiri ngofo there's a level of clergy gwitu ACK to no ACK ni othia nginya kou yes
ukore andu kuria mari
ground piu ndie kana evangelizing yes ni kuri gikiro kiu ucia riu akire kiu arakiuga atia
arakiuga riu etware kuria mari
yes
tondu matikuona mathaa ma guthi kanitha ri
yes
kanitha makuhiririe
na kenda akiegeke kende kiria maramuneire athie ku au masande no keke eni kuja kwanza ni sande tutatengeneza rambi umefanya mzuri tutaendaga kanisa siku mingi na umetuletea neno tumesikia tumekula tumeshiba sasa wewe kuchange tu
ndake heneke muno
tondũ gũcia mũthĩ ũcio wĩna diocesan kuota tondũ nduna kĩoyo ihoero-inĩ you see times have also changed.
Yes, and people have changed.
Tawala katika nitha nyingĩ mũno citũ cia kĩmerera ciahũragwo ngita ndarama ono mũthĩ kũrĩ o kanitha bado kwĩ resistance mũno yake ya modern
way of doing things
kwaja he meho mauga gitari ni associate na mũcukani keke gũtikũhũrwo wa gita cia irabu
mauga gita nĩ cia irabu
mauga gita nĩ cia mũcukani
na ndaci
yes tũtinoka ndaci now the churches will invest a lot in praise and worship
yes and good equipment
yes of course Catholic doesn't have to go that extra mile because again theirs is a tradition rooted you know they have their liturgy yes
but somehow tuona kuno uthia ucenjetie ni wonaga maundu gwikwo maundu matekagwo tene
ito na keyboard ya marahũthĩra the organs ti cia tene
ni ona ndarama cia kisasa
modern day equipment ya mweka mutiga inua
utikinyete ha inua
so everyone worships their own way and my approaches are changing over time yes
agikorwo riu ngondu cie kou ri riu ni ukumakora kou mari
mutungatiri Mikaeli ri ni aragithie cio kundu kou by the way ekirete guo cia mutungatiri yes
arakungurwo muno
yes arakungurwo sana na maruga amen mwabe mukira tuyo kiugo cokera no gota kujia ya Batimayo kauneka jerekaga cokera Musa keli kwera ni Musa raiga mutungatiri ya confirm ni Musa yes Pilato sante glory amara otha wega ayo cio uraruta me na gutie kindu kirakunjiru undu cio aturuta ati ya Christian tigai gucoka gukunja 50 Rwani ni kwa kia maina ya kanitha gukunjura 50 icio ni kutindagia mundu ha wena jenga na karano
gucikunjura na guci straighten
mati ni wa names wero cio ti muhuthu acio matira kwa maru ya shika mchungaji
na kuja tena
hadi akiwa tuikare tarevi no undu wothe ureka undu mundu athomaga yes utano yone kire kou ri ndaigua mutungatiri ni ainukirie wege tuweku
mutungatiri wa tengari
ni ainukirie getuweku yes
imara mwirire nawe tondu kenyuwe no ri
yes tondu kuda ri yo kiguragira karia ngirithano ni njaga mutungatiri please tusikunjuri oru kunywa tingoma with you give vanga no to a program turi okaga na mutungatiri thutha was largely controversial kuria South Africa yetago Hebula Church it was literally a club maze nginya mutungatiri aba kuigura kinuthu
Ucio nake ni kakara.
No, that was very controversial. It was Habula, Rodoni. I think Habula Church. They would drink. I old wakena kiria. Yes. On a matter you. So we are not saying we get to that level, but evangelizing is unlimited.
Yes, and it is also changing.
It is also changing. It's only Gabola, Habula Church. It's Gabola, but you pronounce it Habula. Thank you, Mothoni. South Africa. He is looking for the lost.
The lost sheep.
Naji, so you get with a cool. As you want it.
Yes. You know Makore Mari.
Yes.
Oh my good.
So pundits can argue here and there. But well,
now you know.
Now you are aware. Mara hodi, wacha tukuongeze, nimetoa kidogo kuja niongeze. Nimeona uchirani wangu ametoa mingi, wacha niongeze.
Na iko vile bwana naika. Kegari.
Yes. Ulitoa kegari. Nyarari tego sherra murato mwe wake. Wiriga kuliloketi. Ni undu wa kuria makoro kwa kindu gitagwo economic significance. Wako itura ria kwao ri. Guthondeka ciringi ri. You see, we kundu, and I will not mention names. Okora gatuka karia geku, katire gakura, gatura go uria. Yes.
Ni kuri kundu kuhana oguo.
Yes. Ndio.
There are such places.
Yes.
Murata wa kigari akiona kuu ndagatongera. Akihama
no riu kigari athia mukorari arona ni mundu uthiete wega. Yes. Tondu ni ahetwo handu nja wa supermarket ni wendagia nyamu cietagwo riri. I usually don't get the intonation right. Popcorn cietagwo atia na Gikuyu?
Popcorns.
Yes.
Cietagwo ndore.
Yes, that one. Iwe rakora muthuri ucio ndore ri reke tuge ciake ni mucivi itiraroga
haria ari ni arendia wega.
Yes. Arakiuga atiri ona itura ria uria mutarukire riagitie muno ri ndore ici cia kuma 10 guthi na iguru ri andu ni megwikinyiria ningi ona that is a new opportunity tondu gutiri mundu wendagia nyamu icio
gutiri mundu uri warehe kaundu ta kau kwao. Is a good idea agitwara kwao na akihota guthukuma.
Yes. Arakiuria muratawe riu kigari roria muratawe nyamu ici ndi ona taingi coka rugongo ici no nyone mbia nacio
na kundu kuria thiku ici ni kugite andu ni turatukana riu
turatukana ndiona kwena nginya mera na githi na githu.
Must be an old timer.
Ithu cieko akimuria riu mutambo uyu wina guato ni wangeni yari ukinyagia mbeca cigana agwetero bei ya kamacini kau a popcorn arauga ndihariirie oguo no ngwiciria ithe to ikiruike na njirenge amwira gutiri undu utangiruona wina thubu
wina thuburia ni uwiciruga
bata ni umenye riu kuria kuruta nyore na ni cigiritio kana uria ukiohera andu na ki
na turatathi
twa pepa. Yes. Arakiuga hatiri undu ungi we no kunjira ukwirorera haha rucio ndiko thike
mwiri
moko arerorera tuguta asikaruwa tonie die machine ngumenya atia ni cia ndio sawa thiete wega muno wirona ndiani na thiku inya
oguo karuga ni kaheu
ni kaheu o kahana sinu iguku no turu aya wenda kugia tu haya ni uhoro munene
tare ngundi nume
tare na nacio ni irahora wega cingira kanua ici no mbembe kare kana gaikamba gatoga tumani
ari kuri mbembe cia ndore
mbembe cia ndore ri ciho. Yes. Arakiuga riu kiria ngwika ri wakire ni ukwamba uhe stoko
ya kwanjia wira
ya kwanjia niwe nie ndikomagira ki
matu
one thitoko thie nganjie ki
nganjie na nenga ko hariboti
niona ndacoka ndamenya mucingo watu niguo retani mutie muno tareho guraki
akiuma supermarket
yes leo kigari ri kirakineo bagiti cigana ona ciake
cia bebe
cia popcorn ara twaro kwa gongo muthenya urai kinya ba ugika kindu gitagwo riri launching
kuruguria
yes
duka njeru ya popcorn Wakigarie.
Yes. Ona ni aragia na slogan. Wakigarie. Toro muri mutheri.
Ni mani tane na Newton Karis.
Ni abete kariri. Kindu gitago teaser. Tura rimenya kwina ki?
Kwina undu mweru uroka.
Radu. Toro muri mutheri.
No wakigarie.
Na muthenya ucio wa what do the maiden day ni aretete riu andu iru customer go sample na kugura yes
na magicokia feedback maigue muri gwakigari uhana atia
turu muri mutheri ayoka igari no gakina macini
aca
rahagira rurinja tori aronetio yes wikira mbembe na gukunika reke tuge kigari aria maramweteire njara the potential clients aria metito masample product ri
maiden clients
maroni aca mukaihenya aramera atiri sitirawa kigari eri turatathi tu mbembe icio cia ndore ri kamwe ri gabatie kurugwo na rurinja maita mana na arekeire turatathi tutatu arambia ona kibati kieo ya
kiu ni kirima
kira batoro muri mutheri akiuma cirare murango-ini abakine maramura atiri nyamu no ngai thuka akigari gikire ngonia
okuoya ngonia imwe theru
yes inde ihuragwo ni mama wa gwaku ni kwi ngonia ihuragwo
ngonia ihuragwo
mekirari ego gwikira icio ndwikindira
ndungikindira icio
marakora mena ngonia inya njega cia ndore itiragethie
o itirathie uria kigari areciragia
araumira akunia acoka nako uria athire nako
turu muri mutheri
turu muri mutheri ndore
na 10 na bauni
una wangori ni utairwo turu muri mutheri aroni riu kuria angicikire u uteithio ri ni ihoero ria mwathani arahoya ri rinda aero tondu indo icio ciri they are not bureau certified ndangicienderia
ndangicienderia ihoero
riu arohiria andu hau nja nuona rega konia gacirio gaitagwo haha iguru
gakunjwo haha matu-ini
arera awakine weana o mundu na ikonia riake kando turu muri mutheri
no gwakigarie
turu muri mutheri masikaretie mena mukona guthie kindu maranywa na cai
ni uria mena nyingi kigarie
yes ena dead stock
ta kumenya uria reka gwika nayo
ekiri
magoni ya inya
Tuli muri okay.
Muri o mutheri.
Au akigarie. Niarekeie mukonde itura riu ritikarahuka ki economy.
He agrees with the naysayers.
Yes.
They are economically doomed.
Aragire kundu kuu nuko handirwo ki? Aiko idea njeru uguo andu matikuiyukia.
Na nĩ ya kĩndũ gĩa kũrĩa.
Hau nĩ kũndũ kũu gwĩ thakame njũru.
Nĩ ndĩtikia ũrĩa kwĩragwo kũndũ gũkũ.
Mũrogi ũrĩa watũrogire nĩ arĩhĩtwo goro. Ndĩna ndore mweri wake. Wa kerĩ. Ndore ciake no atigĩtwo nĩ ciakibirĩthĩte rũkũ.
Kũu nĩkuo marabatara economic empowerment.
Yes.
Ĩthake enda na 43.